In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Dashboards are a powerful way to organize your data and gain insights at a glance. Start by opening the Dynamics 365 application you're working with, such as Sales Hub. In the left-hand pane, scroll down and click on Dashboard. This is where you manage all your dashboards and visualize your data effectively. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click New to create a brand new dashboard. When prompted, select the Dynamics 365 dashboard option to unlock the platform's full capabilities. Now it's time to choose a layout. Dynamics 365 offers several options, like 2-column, 3-column, or even 4-column layouts with wide and narrow sections. Pick the layout that best suits the type and amount of data you want to display, then click Create. On your blank dashboard canvas, start by giving your dashboard a name. This helps you and your team easily identify its purpose. After naming it, add components such as charts, lists, or web resources. Tailor these components to display the most critical insights and analytics for your needs. Once your components are arranged and configured, review the layout to make sure everything is displaying correctly. When satisfied, click Save to store all your settings, and there you have it. A fully customized dashboard in Microsoft Dynamics 365 that streamlines data insights and enhances productivity.